morning. Welcome to day two of the wonderful Kohinoor Business Expo. Today, we welcome our first speaker of the day, Mr. Balreddy from Pavani RMC. There is a quote that a good businessman can spot business in every opportunity, but a great businessman sees opportunity in every venture. Mr. Balreddy Ramidi, managing partner of Pavani RMC, is a passionate entrepreneur who always thrives on nothing but excellence. He has done his post-graduation from Teesside University in the United Kingdoms. Pavani RMC started in the year 2009 and today it is known for its quality, transparency in the concrete industry. Mr. Balreddy is serving as a General Secretary in Ready Mix Concrete Manufacturers Association of Hyderabad East. Pavani RMC has been catering to more than 10,000 happy customers till now, and some of them include the infrastructure majors like Mega Engineering, Aurora Life Sciences, Excellent Infra, and the overall GHMC. This goes to show the credibility and the trust that Pavani RMC enjoys in the market. He has driven his business to success and entered into different verticals. And today, Pavani Group operates in 6 different verticals. We will get to hear more about this business verticals more from Mr. Bal Reddy, who has a record breaking of quantity delivered of 600 cubic meters in a single day, that too from a single plant of 10 transit mixers. Not only that, he has got the award of the best giver in Kohinoor chapter. Let us get to know more about Mr. Balreddy from himself. Over to you, Mr. Balreddy. Welcome to the session.
Thank you, Jagriti. That was a lovely intro. Good morning, all. Hope you had a wonderful experience by exploring our Kohinoor Business Expo yesterday. Thanks for visiting us. First, let me take to a short corporate video of mine, and then I'll come back to my intro. Thank you.
Bricks and
Pavani Group was established in Hyderabad in 1994 by Mr. R. Prabhakar Reddy. Today, Pavani Group is the leading concrete producers of Hyderabad. Pavani Group operates in these verticals. Pavani RMC is catering to the growing infrastructural needs of Hyderabad, a booming metropolis. We procure our own raw material from Pavani Rock Industry, which has a single sheet rock quarry with a capacity of 200 tons per hour. No job is too big or small for us. We do it all. Our vision is to lift the transparency, quality, responsibility, and accountability of the concrete industry.
Thank you. That was a quick and short intro about our company. So first, going into the details of Ready Mix Concrete, let me share my presentation. Okay, so that was a end to start. I just wanted to start like that. So that is the reason I came from back to front. So first, let me explain about the manufacturers. And most of the customers, whoever come to me, they will start asking for the manufacturers and is it safer to use, or is it okay? Like it's the strength comes from the reverse hand or manufacturers hand. So my main thing is, firstly, manufacturers and reverse hand are same. So when you use the manufactured sand, the only thing missing from the river sand is the moisture content. So what we normally do is we explain the customer that while you are using the manufactured sand, you have to give that moisture content from outside the concrete. So that means when your casting is finished, so then you have to sprinkle the water after 2 hours and then up to 24 hours. And then after that, you'll start curing your concrete slabs. So that is the main thing for if you use the manufactured sand. And now government is also proposing to use the manufactured sand in all the GHMC roads and in all the constructions. So with the manufactured sand, you can save almost half of the construction cost. So with that saying said, my company name is Pavani RMC, and I'm the managing partner of Pavani RMC, as Jagruti mentioned. So we have 2 plants. One is in Dundigal, that is near to Ganimesama, and the other one is in Uppal, that is near to Ring Road. So having the 2 plants in Hyderabad, we can cater anywhere in the city and throughout 24/7 as per the customer needs. Apart from the 2 plants, we also having a sister concern group, that is SL group, and in that we have 3 other plants that is located in various parts of Hyderabad. So with the 5 plants in our hand, we can supply anywhere throughout the city. And we are having an advantage. So we have 5 plants in the hand. So what advantage we have is, unlike if there is any breakdown or any breakdown in the machinery or any breakdown in the plant, so we can directly supply from other plant, and there will be a no breakage issue in the concreting. And next, coming to thing, either big or small, we undertake both the projects. So either it will be an individual home or a 10-floor tower or a commercial building or a bridge or a flyover, anything, we undertake all the projects and we do it all. So as you seen in the video, our vision is to live the transparency, quality, responsibility and accountability of the concrete industry. So our clientele, they are many, but some of them include builders, architects, GHMC contractors, plot developers, and many more. So in the past 10 years of our experience, we almost supplied to 10,000 plus customers, and we almost supplied around 10 lakhs plus cubic meters of concrete till now. So coming to the requirement, whatever may be the requirement you have, so we can supply for any kind of construction that you are planning. Firstly, residential, commercial or industrial. So coming to residential projects, maybe like individual homes, apartments, villas or anything. We can supply from footings to slabs. So we can supply for all the residential projects. And coming to commercial projects like commercial complex or multiplexes or towers and CC roads, bridges, supply all to the commercial projects as well. And coming to industrial projects, so now most of the industries are planning for VDF flooring and CC roads outside of their companies. So we do it for the flooring and CC roads in the industries as well. So these are the different grades of concrete we do. We do it from M5 to M50, and this number indicates the compressive strength of the concrete. So depending on the various applications, we supply these different types of grades. For example, if you are going for a slab of normal individual house, then I will supply M20. And if you want to for a higher, little bit higher quality, you can go for M25. And PT slabs or other commercial complex will go for M30, M35, and M40, and so on. So why Pavani RMC? It's all about supplying the strength. That is what we are doing from past 10 years. So any foundation, like any construction, start with a strong foundation, and for this strong foundation, we help in these aspects. So quality, and if it is possible, we can do the same day service, and we have very competitive prices without compromising the quality. The reason I'm saying about the quality many times is that, see, nowadays most of the RMC plant owners are cheating the customers by reducing the quality or by reducing the quantity. And in our plant, there is no scope for these aspects. So we will give at competitive prices with best quality. And we are a QCI certified plant, that is Quality Council of India. So this means you know our trust and capability of our plants. And as I said, we don't compromise on quantity as well. So we will give a guaranteed measurement with every vehicle of our delivery. We supply batch sheet along with the weighbridge slip, so that you can know the quantity of the concrete as well. And we are available 24/7. So as I've said in the previous part, so we are suitable for all big and small projects. And we have a very professional team who will follow up from taking the order to delivering the concrete. And after that also, we have a follow-up team. After casting the slab, we have a follow-up team for quality concerns or curing process, explaining the curing process, and many more. So as you have seen in the previous video, we have its own quarry and we procure raw material from there. We are having a single sheet rock quarry of 10 hectares from which we will procure our raw material like aggregates. And that one is A+ raw material we used. And main importantly, we have a testing laboratory and plant, which all the RMCs, like most of the RMCs don't have it. So we have a very good testing laboratory, state-of-the-art machinery plant, laboratory in our plant. So what are the solutions to give our customers? So mainly, as I've said, we concentrate on curing techniques because that will affect the concrete more. So we will help them in curing techniques. Like I said, after casting, we will inform them after 2 hours, please sprinkle the water. And then every 2 hours, our person will remind them to cure the slab very well. And we have concrete, and we have a solution for how to pour the concrete in severe temperature conditions. Okay. And we will guide them to avoid air cracks on the surface of concrete slab. And we have a waterproof finishing treatment for all the cracks. If there is any air cracks, by suppose at a site condition, so then we will treat them and we will do it with the waterproofing material. And we will take precautions while working. So safety is the utmost priority of our company. So we do it safely at work site. And we have a site supervision as well. So whenever we do any site, we will send a site supervisor along with the team, so that it will be a smooth flow of the delivery of the vehicles. And I've said follow-up calls for the curing, because curing is the main thing for the concrete. So why RMC? It saves your time, it is accurate, and it reduces manpower. And there is no need for you to procure the raw material like aggregate, cement, and everything at the site. And if you have a less space, then it will be more complex to procure the raw material and mix there. And nowadays, you also know that labor cost has been increased more. So if you do at a site mix, then there will be a chance of getting high labor cost, paying high labor cost. So, and apart from that, there will be a quality issues also when you mix at site. So, and in RMC, we have consistent and better quality because it is a batch mix through system and it is all automated. So once we give the design mix, then it will take automatically the amount of cement or the amount of aggregates from a computerized system. So time-wise and cost-efficient also, you can save your time. And as I've said, without paying your labor more, then it is a cost-effective also. We have a high strength and durability of the concrete and less material wastage. Like if you procure the raw material from different places, So when you pour it at the site, then you have to waste your material. And in the ready mix, there is no wastage of raw material. So nowadays, most of the builders are asking for collaboration. So we have implemented this with the Expo. With this Expo, we are offering collaboration also. We are ready to collaborate with any builders or developers as a concrete partners and help them in the project with supplying concrete and sharing the profits on mutual basis. This is a special offer we are announcing in this Expo. Thank you. Let me show you a contact us video, then we'll come back later.
And cement, how strong would it stand? You obviously don't want it to fall apart. So, if you are planning for any construction activity, listen to us. Pavani RMC is one of the leading concrete producers in Hyderabad. We supply any grade of concrete as per your requirements. With our 2 plants located in the city of Pearl, we can cater throughout the city 24/7. We promise to provide 100% best quality and quantity concrete to all our customers. Avail the best from us at a reasonable price to make the best out of your building. In our 10 years of service, we've laid over more than 10,000 strong foundations to make our customers' dreams stand up bold and high. Call us or book your order on WhatsApp.
So that was a short and quick info about my presentation. So whatever I have covered in my presentation, you can see in that video.
So the floor is now open for question and answers. I will start with my question to you, Mr. Balreddy. I would
just
like
want
to
close.
know. Yes, please.
Yeah, sorry. No, sorry. I just want to close. If you are planning for any construction, so please reach us. And floor is open for any questions.
Yeah, so my first question to you is, Mr. Balreddy, how is this RMC cost compared to the traditional way of putting slabs? Is this more expensive?
No, right. Like I said in the video, so it will come more of as a normal site mix concrete only. So compared to that, if it smaller one, it will be more or less same. But compared to the big construction site like any commercial complex or multiplex or any towers, then RMC is the best choice to go through.
Okay, and what are the precautions that we need to take if you're going for a ready mix concrete versus like the traditional way of doing concrete or slab?
Like I said, there are many companies cheating the customers, maybe it quality wise or quantity wise. So first go to a trustworthy person. So anyone you trust, go to them and take RMC. So site mix, at site mix, there may be a quality issues. See, when you mix at the site, when you tell the labor or mason to mix at the site, he may mix sometimes 5 bags or he may mix sometimes 7 bags. Actually, we need to mix 6 bags. So you can't supervise all the times at the site. Either owner or a head of the site in charge. So he can't supervise all the times how many bags he is mixing. So there may be a chance of quality issues. And with that, you have to struggle for whole your lifetime when you stay in your home houses.
Okay. And is there any distance restriction or do you supply to?
Yes, there is a distance restriction. See, maximum we can cover up to 30 kilometers of our radius where we have a plant like we are located in Uppal. So 30 kilometers only we can supply. So likewise, I said we have having 5 plants. So we have in Uppal, we have in Gandimaisama, we have in Shamirpet, and we have in Pedambarpet. So we can cover throughout the city. And like I said, is there any breakage in the one plant? Then you can supply simultaneously from other plant also. That will save your time, and there will be no breakage in the concreting. And we have another facts like how much will be the cost if I am planning for a construction of a slab. So if you are planning in a 200 square yards flat, then approximately you will be spending around 1 to 1.5 lakhs per slab, one slab.
As a customer, how do you know the quality? Like you'll be having M5, M25, M50, something like that. As a customer, how do you measure the quantity? How do you check?
Yeah, so for the quality, we will supply the cubes and you can catch the cubes at your site. And then when we will keep the cubes at your site, and after 7 days, we will bring the cubes to our laboratory and we will test there. You can come and witness the quality of the concrete there itself. Or else if it is not possible, we have an option of WhatsApp video call also. So we are going contactless. So we can make a video call and we can show to the customer directly also.
Generally, for the slabs, will be getting the leakage issue for most of the customers. Do you have any permanent solution for these kind of problems?
Yeah, it's a good question. Actually, I forgot to mention. For any leakage issue, it is not only the site or ready mix concrete person issue or the material issue. So we have several factors affecting these leakage issues. First one is I have to send a good material, and then we have to control the water cement ratio at the site. So for masons to make it easy or make it easy flow of the concrete, they will mix more water. With that, we will lose the strength of the concrete. And we have to put the vibrator very good, means we have to vibrate the slab so that the material goes inside the beam and inside the steel. So another thing, curing, as I've said, so curing is the main important factor that affects your slab and leakage.
So as you are mentioning, the quality is most important thing from your end. Is there any guarantee like which you are providing for the leakages and all?
Yes. We do provide guarantee also. So as I said in the video, I've supplied more than 10,000 plus happy customers, happy and satisfied customers. That means you can know our quality and trust of Pavani RMC. Okay, thank you guys. I just want to take one more minute.
So I have one last question. Is it only the big builders who can reach you, or is there like a minimum order quality? Somebody who's doing a small plot development, can they reach out to you?
Yeah, I can supply from 1 vehicle to 100 vehicles. Either it is a 6 cubic meter. Normally in 1 vehicle, we supply 6 cubic meter. If a customer wants 3 cubic meter also, we will send. But there is a small transportation charges we include for that. Okay, guys, thank you so much for my presentation. I just want to take one more minute. So we are doing this expo from a chapter called BNI Kohinoor, and BNI is a world largest referral organization. Where do we meet every week and exchange referrals? So thanks to Kohinoor for organizing this wonderful business expo. Thanks to you, Jagruti. Over to you.
Thank you so much for that insightful presentation about your business. We know a lot more about your business and the way RMC market works. We look forward to hearing more about your business later. And thank you so much for being on board as one of the gold sponsors. Without your support and your efforts, this expo would not have been possible. The entire Kohinoor Business Expo team, the Mahati team, is extremely grateful to you for your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Pleasure is mine.